Hi everybody, welcome to the March 27th Paper Wishes blog tour, and today we are looking at some adorable Edgeables cutting die borders. And this particular easel card, you can see here it's an easel, was very easy to make out of the butterfly Edgeable cutting die. And as you can see, these butterflies have dimension, they're embossed, and you can also lift the wings up. I just think they're adorable. It might look more difficult than it was to make. This is just 3 separate borders, 2 white and 1 black, and then I inked them and put them on the sort of card topper for this easel card. I also made a frame using the Jardin Edgeable cutting die, and it was just really easy. It's just 4 separate pieces backed with silver linen paper, specialty paper from Paper Wishes, and then I glued them around a rectangle, made a backing, and added some flowers. So check out these projects and more on the March 27th Paper Wishes blog. Thanks.